Hey everyone, welcome back to ABC Hosting. If you've ever wondered how videos are being created faster and better than ever before, without requiring hours of editing, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how AI is revolutionizing video generation and making content creation easier than ever. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, AI-powered tools are transforming the way we produce videos. So, stay with me till the end, because I'll also be sharing some of the best AI video generators and how you can even start your own AI video generation platform. Let's get started. So, how exactly does AI help in generating videos? Let's break it down into a few key points. Automated video editing. AI can cut, trim, and edit videos seamlessly, making the editing process smooth and effortless. No more spending hours on manual editing. Text-to-video conversion. AI can turn simple text into engaging video content. If you have a blog post, article, or even a script, AI tools can convert them into stunning videos within minutes. AI-powered voiceovers. You no longer need to record your own voice. AI can generate realistic, human-like voiceovers in different accents and tones, making your videos sound professional. Automatic subtitles and translations. AI can automatically generate captions and even translate your content into multiple languages, helping you reach a global audience. AI-generated visuals and animations. Some AI tools can create visuals, animations, and even deepfake-style effects to make your content more engaging. Pretty cool, right? Now that we know how AI helps in video creation, let's talk about some of the best AI video generator tools that you can start using today. InVideo, a powerful tool that lets you create videos with AI-generated subtitles, voiceovers, and automatic editing features. InVideo, perfect for marketers and content creators. It transforms text into professional-quality videos with stunning templates and AI editing. RenderForest, great for animations, logo intros, and explainer videos. It uses AI to generate high-quality video content effortlessly. These tools are game changers for content creators who want to make high-quality videos without needing advanced editing skills. Now, here's something exciting. What if you want to launch your own AI video generator platform and start a profitable business? Well, you're going to need a powerful and reliable hosting solution. That's where QloudHost comes in. QloudHost provides the best VPS and dedicated servers for AI-based applications. Here's why you should choose QloudHost for your AI video generator platform. High-performance VPS and dedicated servers. Perfect for handling AI processing, video rendering, and large data storage. 99.99% uptime guarantee, so your platform runs smoothly without any downtime. Affordable and scalable solutions. Grow your business without worrying about server limitations. Secure and reliable. Protects your data with top-notch security. If you're serious about starting your own AI video generator platform, visit QloudHost today and get the best hosting solution for your business. And that's a wrap for today's video. AI is truly changing the game for video creation, making it faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever before. What do you think about AI-generated videos? Have you tried any AI video generator tools before? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to ABC Hosting for more tech and business-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep creating amazing content. Hey everyone, welcome back to ABC Hosting. If you've ever wondered how videos are being created faster and better than ever before, without requiring hours of editing, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how AI is revolutionizing video generation and making content creation easier than ever. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, AI-powered tools are transforming the way we produce videos. So, stay with me till the end.